In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a GIF in Framer. Let's get started right inside your Framer project. Once you have your project open in the editor, move your attention to the top left corner of the screen. Here, you'll see a set of icons you can use to add different elements to your canvas. Click on the icons menu, and in the search bar that appears, type in GIF. You should see a GIF element in the results. Go ahead and select it, then drag and drop it onto your canvas exactly where you want the GIF to appear in your layout. With the GIF element now on the canvas, make sure it's selected. When it's selected, you'll see its properties panel appear on the right side of the editor. In this panel, look for the section labeled GIF. Under that, you'll see a search field. This is where you can search for GIFs using keywords. Click into the search field and type a keyword that describes the kind of GIF you want, then press enter on your keyboard. Framer will now load a GIF for you, pulling results from Giphy. It's important to know that the GIFs are randomized from that keyword, so the first result may not be exactly what you had in mind. If you don't like what you see, simply repeat the search with the same keyword or try a slightly different one, pressing enter each time until you find a GIF that fits the look and feel of your design. Now, if you already have a GIF saved on your computer, or you want full control over the exact file you're using, there's another method you can use. Instead of adding a GIF element, add a regular image element to your canvas from the same icons area. Drag the image element to where you want it on your page. With the image element selected, look again at the properties panel on the right. Under the Styles section, find the option labeled Fill. On the right side of the Fill row, click the field there. A small pop-up will appear. In this pop-up, click Choose Image. Your computer's file browser will open, letting you navigate to the GIF file you want to use. Locate your GIF, select it, and hit Enter or click Open. Once the GIF is loaded into the image element, you can adjust its size, position, and other styling options in the Properties panel to make sure it fits perfectly with your layout. And that's it. You've successfully added a GIF to your Framer project, either from Giphy or from your own files.